Hi guys, welcome. So I'm going to be making this video as fast as possible because this is ICT. What I will basically doing is introduction, okay, and launching. Introduction is what I'm going to be doing. So I will not be doing much of detailed talk because in ICT, as far as you're introduced to a particular topic or platform, you are good to go. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go straight to our browser, and then we're gonna type Postermywall on your browser. All right, I don't have a pointer in this phone, so I'm not going to. It's not going to be. I don't have a pointer to start pointing where you can get this thing. But if you look at the top right, you see these three dots. 3 dashes, okay, just tap on it if you're using a phone, or whether you're using a phone or PC. Then of course you see the word login, so tap on the word login. Okay, if it is your first time of using it, don't worry, just log in using Gmail. You see my Gmail is there already. Okay, just type in using register using Gmail. When I click login, just forget about registering, tap on login, then tap Gmail option as the first option you have there, and it will take you straight to your Postermywall. So I'm already registered for it. If I tap it right now, it brings me here asking me to select an account. So I'll just choose my email address, and then within a few moments you take me to my account right away. Alright, so here am I. This is my account. I have some few designs I have designed. As you can see, the training flyer that brought you here, I designed it using this platform. So you can do a lot of design using this platform if this is your first time. So I'll just walk you through. Like I said, this video is not going to be long. It's just a walk through, so you can take your time and go around it and understand it properly. So at the top where my picture is there, if I have that search icon, if I tap on it there, it brings me here, so I can search for anything at all. Now this platform is where professionals have designed flyers and kept it here. You don't necessarily need to have a design skill before you can design a flyer. Here you can design a complimentary card, birthday design, social media design, logo, name it, poster, name it. You can design all sorts of things here, all for free. You don't necessarily need to start cracking your brain on how to go about it. Everything has been made easy for you. You just pick the design of your choice and edit it, and then you're good to go. So at this point, all I need to do, for example, I'm looking for let's say music. In case you're a musician, you want to design your music brand, you don't need to bother. So let me just say I'm looking for music design. So I'll just tap search. So it's going to search and bring out lots of design on music. As you can see, I have various design on music. So now when you have this, if it comes up, like you see this place that's at the top here, if you look very well there, you can see it's at images and videos. So you just tap it and select images only, so that all the search will be only on images. All right, so you just scroll. There are lots of thousands of design. If you see at the top they will have 36,320 customizable design template for music. Okay, so just pick any one of your choice. Let me scroll. Which one will I go for now? Take any one at all. Okay, let's assume I want this one. Just tap on it, and it will bring you here. Then you see that down here, you see where you say edit design. Just tap on it, and then it's going to load. Just wait for it. Okay, wait for it. All right, so first thing I want to do, I want to change that picture. So what you need to do is just to tap on the picture. Okay, you see this word replace, then tap on it. Now you see this word upload my photos, tap on my photos, then tap on this word upload photos. Then it asks you photo library, choose file, just go to photo library. You scroll, we have a lot of pictures there. Let me assume I want to pick one of my picture. Let me say I pick this particular one, then I add. Okay, I add. So it's uploading. I'm going to wait for a while for it to upload. Alright, so if I want to crop it, I click crop. I don't want to crop. I said don't crop. So right now I don't want to crop it, so I'll just click don't crop. Then I can now close this. As you can see, the picture is right here in my design, so I can drag it around to position it properly where I want it to be. Alright, now if you notice, you see that now I'm going to do another record on other editing you can do. Okay, so because now I may want this the write-up, the picture is under the write-up, so that is not, I don't want that. Okay, look to your extreme right, your down part of your right hand, the down part. You see an arrow pointing left. Please just take your time. You can pause the video, go around and understand what I'm trying to say. So I will just tap it. It brings me here. Now here, there's this option that says back. I'll just click on it. So if you go back, you see that it has taken the picture backward a little. So I'll go back again and click back again. Then you see that the write-up now has come up of the picture. So I'll tap back again, back. Okay, now this is what it looks like now. So if it's what you want, if you want it this way, fine. But if you don't want, you can click forward, then to give you this option. So you can adjust your picture. Let's assume I want to reduce it. You use those dots surrounding it. You can just drag it around. All right. So that is all that on picture. Now to work on the write-up. Any write-up you see, just tap on it. Okay, just tap on it. Right. For example, that place that says August 25th. Just tap on it. Then the arrow that is pointing to the left at the down part, your right hand side, the down part. Okay, just tap on it to bring you here. Scroll. You will see where that write-up is, where that says August 25th, 8 p.m. So click inside the box, edit it. You can decide to put it whatever date you want. Let's say I want it to be September 25th, 2023. So I just click done. Then I click the arrow back again. You see, I have been able to change this. So these changes is applicable, to every other write-up you see around. Okay. The last thing, another thing I want to show is the color. You can tap that same arrow again, then scroll down. You will see this place that says fill. Tap on it. That's where you have the color. Okay, you can change the colors there. You can change the one that appeals to you. So we have that color there. Just play around it and change it. All right. So the next thing now, click on this icon that up. There's an icon at the top there, which is a save icon. Tap on it, and then you see your work is saving. Okay, it's saving right now. Then it brings you to this place that says download. Just simply tap on the download. It brings you here. Just simply click on download again, and then wait for your design to be downloaded into your mobile device. Alright, so this has been downloaded. I'm using an iPhone, so it's telling me to download here again. So I'll just tap download. It's downloaded. Asking me to open, so I'm going to open. So your own may not be showing this way. Mine is showing like this because I'm using an iPhone. So this is our design right now. Just click save. Alright, so let's go and check our design. I'm going to files. I'm trying to locate this design now. I have a couple of designs, so this is it here. So tap it here, and ladies and gentlemen, this is our design we just did. So like I said, it's a walkthrough. You can go around it and play with it. Just make sure you understand it. I don't want the video to be long, so I will not be wasting time unnecessarily. You can also edit this design if you want. Okay, that is in your phone, because if you zoom close, you see at this point the left hand extreme side say this is made with Postermywall. So what you do is just that take it to your editor and crop it up, so that someone will not know that you made that design from Postermywall. If you don't know how to crop, just let me know. I'm going